Kubeflow Components Explained, Mastering Model Serving. Learn to serve machine learning models efficiently with Kubeflow, gaining skills in model deployment, scalability, and performance optimization.
Welcome to our exploration of Kubeflow Components Explained, Mastering Model Serving. Did you know that 70% of AI projects fail because they never make it to production? Today, we're diving into the world of model serving using Kubeflow, a powerful tool that ensures your machine learning models are not just built, but efficiently deployed and scaled. We'll discuss everything from setting up a model server to security considerations. Stay tuned as we unlock the secrets to successful model serving.
Setting up a model server is the first step towards successful model serving. With Kubeflow, this process is streamlined, allowing you to focus on what matters most, your models. First, ensure you have Kubeflow installed on your Kubernetes cluster. This involves using tools like Kustomize or the Kubeflow Pipelines UI for a smooth setup. Once installed, configure your model server by specifying the model type, resources, and endpoints. Avoid common pitfalls such as incorrect configurations and insufficient resources by double-checking your setup. Ensure your server is ready to handle incoming requests efficiently.
Choosing the right serving framework is crucial for optimal performance. Kubeflow offers several options, including TensorFlow serving, KF serving, and Seldon Core. TensorFlow serving is perfect for TensorFlow models, providing a high-performance serving system. KF serving, on the other hand, supports multiple frameworks, offering versatility in model deployment. Seldon Core is ideal for complex deployments with advanced requirements. When selecting a framework, consider factors such as model compatibility, scalability, and community support. Each framework has its strengths, so choose the one that aligns with your project's needs.
Scalability is crucial for handling varying loads in model serving. In Kubeflow, you can achieve scalability through horizontal and vertical scaling. Horizontal scaling involves adding more instances, while vertical scaling focuses on increasing the capacity of existing ones. Kubeflow's auto-scaling feature dynamically adjusts resources based on demand, ensuring efficient use of resources. To maximize scalability, monitor your deployments regularly and adjust settings as needed. Proper resource management and scaling strategies will ensure your models can handle any load with ease.
Updates and versioning are essential for maintaining model performance and relevance. Kubeflow provides robust versioning capabilities, allowing you to manage multiple versions of a model seamlessly. When updating models, consider using rolling updates or canary deployments to minimize disruptions. Rolling updates gradually replace instances with new versions, while canary deployments introduce changes to a small subset of users first. Always ensure backward compatibility to prevent issues with existing applications. Implementing these best practices will help you manage updates efficiently.
Monitoring is critical for understanding model performance and identifying areas for improvement. Tools like Prometheus, Grafana, and Kubernetes native monitoring solutions provide valuable insights into your serving infrastructure. Integrating these tools with Kubeflow allows you to track metrics such as latency, throughput, and error rates. By analyzing these metrics, you can proactively manage performance and make data-driven decisions to enhance model efficiency. Regular monitoring ensures that your models continue to perform optimally, even as demands change. Optimizing model performance is key to delivering fast and accurate predictions. Factors such as model complexity, resource allocation, and data input can impact performance. Kubeflow offers several optimization tools, including hyperparameter tuning and model compression techniques. Balance speed and accuracy by choosing the right optimization strategies for your models. Implement continuous performance evaluation to identify potential improvements and ensure your models remain competitive. Optimization is an ongoing process that requires regular attention and adjustment.
Security is a top priority when serving models, as any vulnerabilities can compromise your data and models. Common risks include unauthorized access, data breaches, and model tampering. Kubeflow provides several security features, such as authentication, authorization, and encryption, to protect your serving infrastructure. Implement secure practices like using strong access controls, regularly updating software, and conducting security audits. By prioritizing security, you can ensure that your models and data remain safe from potential threats.
Congratulations on mastering the essentials of model serving with Kubeflow. We've covered everything from setting up your model server to optimizing performance and ensuring security. Remember, model serving is an ever-evolving field, and continuous learning is key to staying ahead. Experiment with different techniques, engage with the vibrant Kubeflow community, and don't hesitate to tackle new challenges. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and comment on what topics you'd like us to explore next. Together, let's continue to innovate and excel in the world of machine learning.